Hey, do you know what's the second most expensive purchase in your life after buying a house? It's buying a car. And as exciting it is to own a car, it's equally important to save money on it. In this video, we'll share 5 easy tips on how to save money on your car. Tip 1. Regular maintenance. Tip number 1 is to take care of your car through regular maintenance. The more you take care of it, the longer it will last, and the less it will cost in the long run. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and checking the fluids can save you from costly repairs down the road. Plus, a well-maintained car can give you better gas mileage, which reduces expenses. Tip 2. Avoid aggressive driving. Tip number 2 is to avoid aggressive driving. Rapid acceleration and braking can increase fuel consumption and wear out the brakes and tires. You can save a lot of money by driving smoothly, avoiding unnecessary accelerating, and obeying the speed limit. Tip 3. Shop around for insurance. Tip number 3 is to shop around for car insurance. Don't settle for the first insurance company you find. Instead, compare rates and coverage from different insurers. You can save a lot of money by finding the right policy that fits your needs and budget. Tip 4. Drive less. Tip number 4 is to drive less. All the mileage you put on your car changes the oil, and wear out the tires, brakes, and other components faster. Look for opportunities to reduce your driving by combining errands, carpooling, or switching to public transportation when possible. Tip 5. Buy a fuel-efficient car. Tip number 5 is to buy a fuel-efficient car. The more fuel-efficient your car is, the less you'll have to spend on gas. Hybrid or electric cars are the most fuel-efficient options available, but if you're looking for a traditional car, research the car's gas mileage before buying it. In conclusion, saving money on your car is all about being proactive and taking care of your vehicle. Regular maintenance, avoiding aggressive driving, shopping around for insurance, reducing your driving, and buying a fuel-efficient car can save you thousands of dollars in the long run. Do you have any additional tips on saving money on your car? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.